Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change your background desktop on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and system preferences. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. There are actually two ways that we can use to change the desktop background. Let's go all the way down to the dock, go to System Preferences, and then locate Desktop and Screensaver. That will take us directly to the options that allow us to change the desktop background. Or what we can do is go to the desktop, right click, change desktop background. That will take us directly again to the options that allow us to change the background. So we can either switch to these images that have been provided by Apple via the dynamic desktop, light and dark desktop, or desktop pictures. We would have to download these, wait for them to be downloaded, and then click on them. We can use these photos or directly change to a color of our choice, or we can either go to pictures within photos and switch to a selected image for the background. Let's go back to desktop pictures, go back to number 3. We can have this light or dark. However, they do sometimes say if it's not broken, don't try to fix it. So let's go back to light, Catalina, click on X. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.